Windows Defender keeps deleting your files or blocking programs you want to use? In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Windows Defender permanently using the Registry Editor. If Defender keeps quarantining files you trust or blocking certain applications, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open Windows Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click Windows Security. Next, open Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click Manage Settings. First, turn off Real-Time Protection. Then scroll down and turn off Tamper Protection. Tamper Protection prevents Windows from changing important Microsoft Defender settings. Disabling it allows us to modify Defender policies through the Registry Editor. If you leave Tamper Protection enabled, Windows may automatically restore the settings you change. Now close the Windows Security window. Press the Windows key, type Registry Editor, then open it. Now expand HKEY Local Machine. Then expand Software. Scroll down and expand Policies. Under Policies, expand Microsoft. Now locate the Windows Defender folder. Inside Windows Defender, right-click an empty area. Choose New, then Key, and rename the new key to Real-Time Protection. Make sure each word starts with a capital letter. Next, create another new key and rename it Signature Updates. Create one more key and rename it Spynet. Now click the main Windows Defender folder again. In the empty space on the right, right-click and select New. Then DWORD 32-bit value. Rename it to Disable Anti-Spyware. Double-click it and change the value from 0 to 1. Create another DWORD value named Disabled Antivirus. Set its value to 1. Create another DWORD named Disable Special Running Modes. Set the value to 1. Create another DWORD named Disable Routinely Taking Action. Change its value to 1. Finally, create another DWORD named Service Keep Alive. Set the value to 1. Now open the Real-Time Protection key. Create a new DWORD called Disable Behavior Monitoring. Set the value to 1. Create another DWORD named Disable on Access Protection. set it to 1. Create another DWORD named Disable Scan on Real-Time Enable. Set the value to 1. Finally, create another DWORD named Disable Real-Time Monitoring. Set the value to 1. Now open the Signature Updates key. Create a new DWORD named Force Update from MU. Set its value to 1. Next, create another DWORD named Disabled at First Seen Again. Change the value from 0 to 1. Once you finish creating all the registry values, close the Registry Editor. Restart your computer to apply the changes. After Windows starts again, check whether the Defender settings have changed. Keep in mind that newer versions of Windows 11 may automatically restore some of these settings because Microsoft has added additional protection to Defender. And that's it. You've reached the end of today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you understand how Windows Defender policies work and how to modify them through the Windows Registry. If this video saved you time or helped solve your problem, don't forget to leave a like because it really helps the channel. If you're new here, subscribe to All PC Geek and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials on Windows, Android development, AI tools, Google AI Studio, Android Studio, troubleshooting, and PC optimization. If you have any questions or if you run into any problems while following this tutorial, let me know in the comments below. I read as many comments as I can, and I'll do my best to help. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.